Good morning, everyone. Not wolf fishing down here. Today on Lake Aquila here in Texas. Beautiful sunrise morning. Beautiful little lake this morning. I'm going after crappie. Try to get some live scope footage and mess for dinner. Got my campy down. Might not need it today, but it's there. And I'll see y'all down there on that beautiful sunlit red lake. Tight lines. Here we are on the water, Lake Aquila Texas. A little later than I wanted. The little camera flew bar. My USB cable wasn't working, so I had to run it back up to the truck and get another USB cable out of it. But I'm finally here on the water, so let's go catch some fish. Yeah, it's a quick little crappie. GoPro. Real baby catfish. Baby catfish. Yeah, not much of a day, but it's a day. You can call it quits. Just 4 little ones, but I guess that's enough for a dinner. And we'll see you next trip. Night wolf out.